Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1, and this is by Hotwheels from their green and chrome series. So we do have a lot of tuned Volkswagens. I'm really getting tired of getting these things again and again. So just to do an unboxing of this set, I just bought this. Or else I just avoided this one altogether. Okay, let's open it. It's literally the same casting as the older one, nothing new here. So with a different paint job. The paint job looks really nice, I agree. But the one which I unboxed long back, like a year back, which has I think the red with yellow paint job, I guess. Out of all these three, that one looked really the best. So there are no headlight details, no tail light details, nothing much. Does interior detail. Okay, that's nice. Plastic chassis, nothing new here. So the same rims which they normally use for the tuned ones. Honestly, there is nothing new going on here, or nothing at least noticeable is going on here. The only difference is being the paint job. That's it. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It does roll well compared to the Ford Sierra Cosworth. Okay, this is compared to that one, compared to the Ford and all, this rolls really well. That one I can give it to this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.